Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Goomba from Mario. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make an oval shape for one of the eyes. And then right over here, I'm going to make that same oval. So I'm just going to try to keep it about the same size, keep them kind of close together. Just like that. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw a smaller oval here, and then a smaller oval right here. Then I'm going to add a small circle at the top of each one. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this oval, just for the pupils. Now, right here, I want to make a big sad face. They have a pretty big mouth. So I'm going to start here and just draw a big sad face that just goes from one side to the other. And then I'm going to make a little triangle shape like this for one of the teeth. And then I'm going to make another triangle shape right here for the other tooth. I'm going to make this line just a little bit longer on each side. Now, starting right here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then down for the top of the head. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down like this. And then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it around here. It's going to curve down, up, and then around, and it's going to come right to here to form the head of the Goomba. Now, the Goombas have these little angry eyebrows. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then back down like this. And then I'm going to draw that same shape right over here. Just go up, and then down, and connect it to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then down. And then I'm going to redraw that same shape right here. And you can see I made it a little bit wider here than I did down here. Then right in the middle here, I'm just going to make a little curved line like this. Now, I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here, and I'm going to draw kind of like an oval shape right here. So right here, I'm just going to make a nice oval shape like this for one of the feet. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make another oval shape like this. That's going to be like the bottom of the foot. Now right here, you just want to make a curved line that's just going to go from the face to the foot. And then starting here, you just want to make a line that's just going to curve around, and then it's going to come and connect to the foot right here. And that's going to be the body of our Goomba. And then the last thing we want to do is draw the other foot. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to curve around, and it's going to come up like this, and then go right to here for the other foot. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Goomba from Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.